Are you excited about going to the beach?
Yeah.
Is that why you're wearing a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a bit minging outside, not that you can see, but my son is very excited. Buster, are you going to swim at the beach?
Yeah.
Have you got your life preserver? You don't need the hat, okay. Oh, does that go on there? Okay. Yeah, so we're going to swim in the sea with that. Good boy. So where are we going, Buster? We go to the beach. Come back, show Mummy. She'll show you how to put it on. Okay. Okay. Help. You need to climb into it, darling.
Yeah.
That's the top. You need to actually climb into it. Oh, okay. Beach.
Mommy, Daddy, happy.
Okay. Mummy, get ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy, beach too.
Yes, Mummy's coming to the beach too.
Mommy, beach too.
Yes, okay.
And Mommy's pet pee.
Okay, go get your wellies.